Hi students, today's session I'm going to be explaining one of the important concept of matrices, that is row reduce echelon form. Matrices, row reduced echelon form. For exam point of view, this is the one of the most important concept. Okay, see row reduced echelon form. Firstly, we'll see the definition of row reduced echelon form. A matrix A of order m cross n. A matrix A of order m cross n is said to be row reduced echelon form if it satisfies four conditions. Means you have to do only row transformation, don't apply column transformations. Okay, in case of normal form we'll apply both row transformations and column transformation, but in case of row reduced echelon form you have to apply only row transformations. Okay, see here any matrix A of order m cross n is said to be row reduced echelon form. Means if first condition is the leading or the first non-zero entry of each row is unity. Okay, I'll take one example. 1 4 minus 2 0 0 1 2 minus 1 3 0 0 0 1 minus 2 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is a matrix of order. See here, 4 rows are there, 5 columns. The first non-zero entry in each row. See here how many rows are there? 4 rows. In 4 rows, first non-zero entry. See in first zero non-entry is 1. Here first non-zero entry is 1. Here first non-zero entry is 1. See all the entries below the leading entry is 0. See here, this is the leading entry. This below this leading entry values, all the values are equal to 0. See, all the entries below the leading is 0. See in first column, this is the leading entry. Below this leading entry, all the values are equal to 0. In second column, this is the leading entry. Below this leading entry values are 0. Point. The number of zeros appearing before the leading entry in each row is greater than that appears in its previous row. This is third point. The number of zeros appearing before the leading entry in each row is greater than that appear in its previous row. You can observe here. See, in fourth row there are 4 zeros are there. In third row there are only 3 zeros. That is only here. Leading entry in each row is greater than that appear in its previous rows. Means that is number of zeros appearing before the leading entry in each row is greater than that appear in its previous row. Means if you compare with R3 and R4. Okay, see if you compare R3 and R4 compared to R3, R4 contains more number of zeros. Okay, if we compare R2 and R3, okay, See, R3 contains greater number of zeros compared to R2 row. Okay, point is the zero rows always appear below the non-zero rows. Appear below the non-zero rows. For example, 1 2 minus 1 0, 2 0 1 3 4 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, we can reduce in this form also. Okay, you can observe in this form. See, below, this is a non-zero row, this is also non-zero row. Okay, the zero rows always appear below the non-zero. See, these two are zero rows. See, always zero rows appears below the non-zero rows. This is fourth point. If any matrix is of order m cross n is said to be row reduced echelon form, means if it satisfying four condition. First condition is the first non-zero entry of each row is unity, means in first row first element should be equal to 1. Okay, and all entries below the leading is 0. See, in column only, suppose 1 is the leading entry, means below the leading entry values are equal to 0. See, in second row 1 is the leading entry, means below the leading entry values are equal to 0. Third point is the number of zeros appear below the leading entry in each row is greater than that appear in its previous row. That meaning is if you compare R3 and R4, R4 contains more zeros. Okay, if you compare R2 and R3, R3 contains more zeros than R2. Okay, that is third point. Fourth point is the zero rows always appear below the non-zero rows. See, these two are non-zero rows. Always zero rows will appear below the non-zero rows. This is definition of row reduced echelon form. Now let's see examples on it. Find the rank of the matrix reducing into echelon form. 1 2 3 2 2 3 5 1 1 3 4 5. This matrix we have to reduce into echelon form. See, echelon form means we have to follow four conditions. One is in first non-zero element in each row must be equal to 1 agirbeku. Okay. See, if it is not equal to 1, we have to make it is equal to 1. Here already 1 is there, then no need to change or no need to interchange with any other rows. Okay. Directly you can apply row transformation. Okay, here first row transformation is R2 changes to R2 minus 2 into R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1, R2 changes to R2 minus 2 into R1, because here in R2 contains first element is 2, then you multiply first this 2 into first row, you will get row transformation is R2 minus 2 R1, R3, here also 1 is there, here also 1 is there, directly you can subtract R3 minus R1. Okay, see, simplification of R2 minus 2 R1 is R2 elements are 2 3 5 1 minus 2 into corresponding R1 elements. R1 elements are 1 2 3 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 2 3 2 as it is 0. 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 2 3s are 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Same as it is R3 minus R1. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. See, here in second row leading element must be equal to 1 agirbeku, but here it is equal to minus 1 ಇದೆ. Therefore multiply row 2 by minus 1. Okay, we'll get 1 2 3 2 0 plus 1 plus 1 3 0 1 1 3. Okay, again you apply row transformation. R3 changes to R3 minus R2. Okay, see, then resulting matrix is 1 2 3 2 0 1 1 3 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, see here for this reduced matrix satisfying all the four conditions of echelon form. See, in each row non-zero element equal to 1. Okay, all 0 rows are lies below the non-zero rows. Okay, and third condition is number of zeros in R4 is greater than number of zeros in R2. Okay, here all the conditions of echelon form are satisfying, therefore it is in echelon form, and rank of the matrix A is equals to, here two non-zero rows are there, that is rank of A is equals to 2. Find the rank of the matrix by reducing into row reduced echelon form. See here rank means after reducing into row reduced echelon form, we have to find its rank. Its rank means the number of non-zero rows in echelon form is called as its rank. Number of non-zero rows of echelon form is called as its rank. See, to reduce into echelon form, first we have to observe in first row first non-zero element must be equal to 1 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. See here in question they already given first row first non-zero element equal to 1, therefore no need to interchange. Suppose here there is a 2, here 1 is there means you have to interchange these two rows, but here in this question they have already given 1, then no need to interchange. If it is not equal to 1 means you have to interchange with other rows. Contains first non-zero element equal to 1. Okay, now this is the given matrix. This matrix we have to reduce into echelon form by using row transformations. Okay, see here you have to apply first transformation, that is row 2 changes to row 2 minus 2 into row 1. By reference to first row you have to reduce this matrix into upper triangular matrix, means below diagonal elements you have to make it 0. For that reason you have to apply row transformation, that is row 3 changes to row 3 minus, here 3 is there, here 1 is there, 3 into row 1. Okay, this row transformations you simplify side. See, row 2 minus 2 into row 1 value. Row 2 elements are 2 4 3 5, 2 4 3 5 minus 2 into row 1 elements 1 2 minus 1 4. 2 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 1 4, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 3 minus into minus plus, 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 2 4s are 8, 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Next R3. R3 changes to R3 minus 3 into R1. R3 elements are 3, 2, 6, 7 minus 3 into R1 elements are 1, 2 minus 1, 4. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 2s are 6, 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 3 into minus 1 is minus into minus plus, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 4s are 12, minus 12 plus 7, 7 minus 12 is minus 5. If you compare row 2 and row 3 elements, see number of zeros in row 2 are greater than number of zeros in row 3, therefore you have to interchange these two rows, because see in definition I have told number of zeros appearing before the leading entry in each row is greater than that appear in its previous row, means e row alliರೋ zeros compared to previous row ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ರೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ row 2 interchange with row 3. Okay, now interchange will get 1 2 minus 1 4, 0 minus 4 9 minus 5, 0 0 5 minus 3. Row 2 changes to row 2 divided by minus 4. Then resulting matrix is 1 2 minus 1 4, 0 4 9 by 1, 9 by minus 4 minus 4, 0 0 5 minus 3. See here we can't do further row transformations because here if there is a element means we can do further row transformation, but here we can't do any other row transformation. Therefore here also in third row also first non-zero element must be equal to 1. Therefore row 3 also you change by row 3 divided by 5. Okay, then resulting matrix is 1 2 minus 1 4 0 1 9 by minus 9 by 4 minus 0 0 1 minus 3 by 5. This is echelon form. See here, first non-zero element in each row must be equal to 1 ಇದೆ. Then number of zeros lies below the non-zero rows, and the number of zeros always appear below the zero rows, and compared to previous row, this number of zeros in third row is greater than number of zeros in second row. All the four conditions of echelon form are satisfied for this matrix. Therefore it is echelon form. Here there are 3 non-zero rows are there. Therefore rank of a matrix A is 3. Hence the solution. Next example. Find the rank of the matrix by reducing into echelon form. See here you can observe in first row, first non-zero element equal to 2 ಇದೆ, but actually by definition of echelon form, first row or any row, okay, first non-zero element must be equal to 1, but here it is 2. Therefore you have to interchange with any row which contains first element is 1. See here, row 2 contains first non-zero element is 1, row 3 contains first non-zero element is 1. You can interchange first row into either second row or third row. Here I am interchanging with row 2. Row 1 interchange with row 2. We'll get 1 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1. Okay, see here I have interchanged. Now first non-zero element in each row must be equal to 1, means first only equal to 1. And then next we have to reduce into upper triangular matrix by using row transformation. Row transformation is R2 changes to R2 minus, here 2 is there, here 1 is there, you multiply by 2, 2 into R1. And row 3 element is 1, okay, here 1 same is there, then R3 changes to R3 minus R1, same elements means directly we can subtract. If it is different elements means you have to multiply row 1 by that same element. Okay, see here R4 element is already 0, then you leave it, okay, only you do 2 transformations. Okay, 1 2 3 minus 1 as it is. Row 2 changes to row 2 minus 2 into row 1. Row 2 elements are 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 into row 1 elements 1 2 3 minus 1 2 0 2 2s are 4 minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 2 3s are 6 minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9 minus into minus plus minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Next transformation, row 3 changes to row 3 minus row 1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 2. Last row as it is 0 1 1 minus 1. Okay, now again we have to make these two elements are 0. Okay, for that you have to apply again row transformation. Before applying row transformation we have to make second row first non-zero element is equal to 1. For that you have to divide second row by minus 5. Then reducing matrix is 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 minus 9 by minus 5 is the 9 by 5, minus minus get cancelled, minus 1 by 5. Next second row as it 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 0 1 1 minus 1. Now apply row transformation. Row 3 changes to row 3. See here elements are having different signs. Different signs means you add 2 into row 2, and row 4 changes to row 4, same row 4 elements and row 2 element is same, row 4 minus row 3. See first you have to take row transformations of row 2, row 3, row 4 with reference of row 1. Okay, next we have to consider row 3 and row 4 transformation with the reference of row 2. Again you consider row 4 transformation with reference of row 3. Okay, see, first I have taken with reference of row 1. Okay, next I am taking with reference of row 2. Okay, see, that is row 3 changes to row 3 plus 2 row 2, row 4 minus row 3 row 2. Okay, then resulting matrix is 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 9 by 5 minus 1 by 5 0. See here, R3 changes to R3 plus 2 into R2. R3 elements are 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 plus 2 into R2. Corresponding R2 elements are 0 1 9 by 5 minus 1 by 5. First element is 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus minus 2 is 0. Minus 2 plus 9 2s are 18. 18 by 5. Cross multiplication. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 18 by 5 will get 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Next element is 2 plus into minus minus 2 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 2 by 5 is 8 by 5. Next transformation, row 4 minus row 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 9 by 5. 5 ones are 5 minus 4 by 5. Next, minus 1 minus of minus 1 by 5. Minus into minus is plus. 5 ones are 5 minus 5 plus 1 by 5. That is minus 4 by 5. Now, again we have to make this element is equals to 0. For that, we have to do again row transformation. Before applying row transformation, here non-zero element in third row is not equal to 1. We have to make equal to 1. For that, you divide row 3 divided by 8 by 5 will get 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 9 by 5 minus 1 by 5 0 0 1 1. Okay, because here also 8 by 5, here also 8 by 5. R3 divided by 8 by 5 value is 1 1. Okay, 0 0 minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Okay, now apply row transformation. R4 changes to R4 plus 4 by 5 into R3. We have to make this element. Here 1 is there. For row 3 you multiply by 4 by 5. Okay. See here row transformation is 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 9 by 5 minus 1 by 5 0 0 1 1 0 0 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 into 1 is 0. Next element is minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 into 1. That is also 0. Okay, this is row reduced echelon form. See here in this row reduced echelon form there are 3 non-zero rows are there. Therefore rank of the matrix A is equals to 3. Solve these 4 problems.